Hi, I'm glad you're here. It's Peg, and today is day 27 of our art journal habit for 2020. This is AJ Snark Attack 2020 from my Facebook group, which is Art Joy is Sharing, where Chelsea and I share all month long making snarky stuff. So I've just sketched out an image. This page is pretty bright. I don't know. I think I might tear around this. Let me see. Where's my water brush? I think this is some deli paper, so I'm not sure just how easily it's going to tear. We'll see. Yeah, not a real easy tear. But what I want to do is put this image on the page and then use that as a guide to finish it out. And I'm going to take some white gesso, get this torn out first. I'm going to take some white gesso and put on the back of this image first, just so that all that color from behind isn't so prominent. Not sure what I'm going to color this with yet, so that's why I'm taking some precautions. You know, if you're using a water-soluble ink or something on top, it's going to be more translucent, and so you're going to need to, you know, protect your image in some way. Okay, got most of that off. Now I just want to take a paintbrush, put this away, and let me see, what do I have for a brush? Here's a brush, and I'm just going to get some gesso, and I'm going to paint out. Can I see that through there? Not real well. I want to paint out some of this image so that it will block some of that color from behind. So I'm just putting some gesso down here, not on the whole piece. Get her purse, her arm, a little bit on her legs and shoes. That should be enough to block out the majority of it. Get that gesso off of my brush, and let's clean up the edge of my jar so it's not stuck down when I come back to my gesso jar. So I want to dry that down a little bit. Got quite a bit on some spots. I clean some of that off. Okay, good enough. So, get a heat tool. Dry that off a little bit, and then I'm going to glue it on my page. And I'm not sure what this, I think this is probably that ink that wants to bleed through, which is another reason why I wanted to make sure I put some gesso down so that all that color doesn't bleed right through my deli paper onto my final project. So let's get this down. There we go. That's just getting it started. And I think I might even take some matte medium and seal that, because this is not a sealed page yet. Oh boy, if I can get the lid off of it. Oh, there we go. Got it started. Get my brush. It has all that gesso on it right now. I need to clean out of there. And then I'm going to get this matte medium and put this down. Make sure it stays on the page and my page is sealed. Just pushing it down with my rag here. And then I'll dry that. You know, because this is so movable, I was thinking about watercolor, but I don't think I'll do watercolor just because of what's in the background on this. I think I'll do Posca pen with a water brush. And where's that water brush I had? There's a water brush, 2 different sizes. So, grab my Poscas and let's do this. Some of these Poscas are a little bit larger and some are smaller. This is a medium tip here. So I'm just coloring in my image, and I'll be back. So I hope you're enjoying this. My snarky quote for today is, at my age, getting lucky means finding my car keys. I love the purple hair with the blue and the, yeah, she looks like some of my gang. So, if you don't know about our snarky challenge, be sure and check out Art Joy Sharing. Check out Chelsea at Paper Octio Studio. She also is doing daily pages. And use the hashtag on Instagram if you're posting anything of your own. And come and join us on the Facebook group so that you can contribute and see what everybody else is doing too. So that's about it. I'm going to finish out this page. I want to do some finishing touches. I'm just using my big brush markers now to blend in the background, and I'll use another stencil and, start bringing things together here to wind up this page. But I've enjoyed my time with you, and I hope you enjoyed your time with me, and I will see you again soon. Remember to be kind, love one another, and later, guys.